And so the second is we are asking the fire service where there are major markets to deploy their fire tenders close to the markets in the night, so that in the event of a fire outbreak, they are right there on the scene to be able to quench it before it causes any damage.
Good evening and welcome to Joe Rich TV. Tonight, we bring you an in-depth report on the alarming rise in fire outbreaks in Ghana, an issue that has plagued the nation throughout 2025. The Ghana National Fire Service, or GNFS, reports a staggering 5,596 fire incidents between January and November this year. This marks a 6.43% increase compared to the 5,258 cases recorded during the same period in 2024. This increase has been linked to a combination of factors: harsh weather conditions, public non-compliance with fire safety measures, road traffic accidents, electrical faults, gas leakages.
Also asking them to explore installing CCTV cameras at all vantage points of every market, so that if anybody is involved in setting fire to markets, we'll be able to see on the CCTV what is happening. So these are some of the immediate steps we think we should take in terms of prevention.
Among these, domestic fires remain the leading cause. The GNFS identifies several triggers, including electrical faults, improper use of liquefied petroleum gas, and unsafe practices like indiscriminate burning of refuse and bush. Additionally, everyday items such as mosquito coils, candles, and lighters continue to pose significant risks when used carelessly. In response to this troubling trend, the GNFS has rolled out a series of measures to combat fire outbreaks and enhance public safety. Key initiatives include a national bushfire campaign to raise awareness about fire prevention in rural areas, the launch of an automated fire permit and certification management system, streamlining safety compliance.
They say in adversity there's opportunity. So now that the market is burned down, I know you might be thinking of reconstructing it. How would you reconstruct it so that it is a better market than what it was before? That one I leave also to you. Government is determined that nobody should be displaced because of this fire. And so everybody should be able to get back what place he had in the market. But of course, we must design it better and make sure that we build it in a better way.
The establishment of 2 new fire academies and training schools, intensified public fire safety education campaigns. New fire stations have also been set up across the country aimed at improving emergency response times. The GNFS continues to emphasize the critical role of public vigilance, particularly during festive seasons when fire risks tend to spike. Their advice is simple but essential: avoid using fireworks. Handle candles and decorative lights with care. Turn off electrical appliances when not in use. Never leave cooking unattended. In the event of an emergency, the GNFS urges the public to promptly call their emergency lines: 112, 192, or 02993-40383, 0302-2772446. While this report highlights the situation in Ghana, it is important to note that fire incidents vary widely across the African continent due to diverse climates, infrastructure, and safety standards. Unfortunately, comprehensive data on fire outbreaks in other African countries is limited. For more insights, we recommend consulting reports from national fire services or international disaster management organizations. In closing, the rise in fire outbreaks serves as a sobering reminder of the need for vigilance, education, and adherence to safety measures. With collective effort and sustained action, we can work towards reducing these incidents and safeguarding lives and property. Thank you for joining us tonight on Joe Rich TV. Stay safe and let us all do our part to prevent fires. Good night.